Computing weekly salary from daily wage. So another problem atong i-consider kini. Carla works as a sales clerk in a mall in Davao. She earns 65 pesos per hour and worked 40 regular hours and 8 overtime hours this week. Overtime is paid at 1.25 times her regular rate. In addition, she earns a 1,000 pesos monthly attendance bonus, and this week she also earned 500 pesos sales commission. What is her total weekly income this week? So include 1/4 of the monthly bonus as weekly. For the solution, una, we have to compute the regular pay. So to compute the regular pay, identify kung pila ang regular hours na iyahang na-rendered in a week. So since she worked 40 regular hours, so 40 times, then ang regular rate is 65 pesos per hour. So 40 times 65 is equal to 2,600. Sunod nga i-compute nato is overtime pay since naa may overtime given. So before nato ma-compute ang overtime pay, unahon sa compute ang overtime rate. So unsaon pag-compute sa overtime rate? Imo lang i-multiply ang regular rate times 1.25 times the regular rate, According sa given, overtime is paid at 1.25 times the regular rate. So 65 pesos ang iyang regular rate times 1.25, and that is equal to 81.25 pesos. So pag makompute na nimo ang overtime rate, pwede na ka makakompute sa overtime pay. Kaya ang overtime pay is equal to the number of hours nga iyahang overtime times the overtime rate. Kini imong nakuha nga 81.25. So mao na ang i-multiply sa number of hours nga overtime. So since kay 8 man ang overtime hours, so 8 times 81.25 is equal to 650 pesos. So next is i-compute na to ang iyang monthly bonus. Sa problem, she earns a 1,000 monthly attendance bonus. So since naka-monthly man siya, then ang atong kuhaon is weekly income. So include daw siya. So 1/4 of the monthly bonus atong i-compute. So 1,000 divided by 4. Nganong 4 man? Nganong 1/4 man? Since sa 1 month na atay 4 weeks. So 1,000 divided by 4 na siya 250 pesos weekly portion of monthly bonus. Okay, after ma-compute ang weekly monthly bonus na apay diri sa problem, she also earned 500 sales commission. So, i-compute ang commission. So, sales commission niya is 500 pesos. So, ang total earnings niya in a week, total weekly income, i-add lang nimo tanan ang iyang regular pay nga 2,600 plus the overtime fee 650 plus 250 pesos plus the commission 500, and that is equal to 4,000. So the answer for this problem is 4,000.